If you're looking to integrate Salesforce with Outlook, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to easily sync Salesforce with Outlook to help streamline your workflow, so stick around for the entire video. I'll also share an exclusive offer at the end. You'll want to watch to the end to get access to the best deals on this integration. First, let's talk about why you might want to integrate Salesforce with Outlook in the first place. If you use both platforms, syncing them means you'll be able to manage emails, calendar events, and contacts in one unified space. This means less back and forth between different apps and more time focusing on your business. Next, the process starts by installing the Salesforce for Outlook integration tool. You can download it directly from Salesforce's website or your Salesforce app exchange. Once downloaded, open the installer and follow the on-screen prompts. It's usually a quick setup, and the system will guide you through the entire installation process. The third thing to do is to log in to your Salesforce account from within Outlook. You'll be prompted to sign in using your Salesforce credentials. Once logged in, you can access your Salesforce data directly from your Outlook interface. You'll now see Salesforce features appear inside Outlook sidebar, where you can view and manage your CRM data without switching tabs. Next, let's talk about syncing your contacts and calendar. Salesforce will automatically match your Outlook contacts with your Salesforce records. It's a simple, one-click process, and your calendar appointments from Outlook can now be synced to your Salesforce calendar as well. This means if you schedule a meeting in Outlook, it'll show up in Salesforce and vice versa. Everything stays in sync. The fifth thing to mention is the email logging feature. When you're emailing clients or team members through Outlook, Salesforce will allow you to log those emails directly into your Salesforce records. This helps you maintain a comprehensive activity history without having to copy and paste emails manually into Salesforce. Simply click a button to log emails, and Salesforce will automatically attach them to the appropriate record. The last thing to keep in mind is troubleshooting. If you run into any issues with syncing or need to manage your settings, you can go into your Salesforce settings in Outlook to make adjustments. If things aren't syncing properly, try disconnecting and reconnecting your account, or check for any software updates that might resolve the issue. To wrap up, now that you know how to integrate Salesforce with Outlook, you'll be able to work more efficiently by keeping everything in one place. Remember, you can start using Salesforce for free through the first link in the description below, and with our exclusive bonuses, you'll get an extended trial to explore all of its features without any commitment. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out the link for your free trial and start integrating Salesforce with Outlook today.